Hey everyone, welcome to day 4 of our 30 days of Azure DevOps challenge. Yesterday we created our first project inside the Azure DevOps and had a quick look at the interface. Today let's take the next step and explore Azure Boards. So, what exactly are Azure Boards? They help DevOps teams plan, track, and discuss work just like Trello or Jira, but integrated directly into Azure DevOps. In a real DevOps teams, before writing any code, you first plan what needs to be done. That's where work items come in. In Azure boards, there are different types of work items. That is epics, features, user story, task, and bugs. First, we will see what is epics. Epics is a big models or goals. For example, user management system. Features, it's a part of an epic. For example, login features. Third one is user story that describe what the user needs. For example, as a user, I need a login page. Fourth one is task, actual coding or testing work. Final one is bugs, issues to fix. Let's see how to create simple user story and task inside the project. Okay, today we are going to see how to create boards. Yesterday we created Azure project organization. Inside the organization, we created two projects. Today we are go somewhat deep. Uh, so I'm going to create a new project, naming the project as demo. In the description, that's this is for demo purpose. Visibility private, so I can only access this project. I will click advanced option, version control, git, let it be. Then work item process, we have several options, that is basic, agile, CMMI, and Scrum. Basic is the simplest one, and CMMI, which is mainly used in the enterprise level. Now we are going to choose Agile. Then click Create. Now the new project is being created. Once created, we can see boards, repos, uh, pipelines, test plans, and artifacts. When I click the boards, today we are going to create user stories and task. Here, we already seen what is bug, epic, feature, issue. Issue is nothing but uh, it may block progress or need investigation. A task that is nothing but actual coding or testing work. Test case, it's describe how the user how to test user story or features to ensure it works correctly. Mm, User story, we already seen that it's describe what the user needs. um, First, I'm going to create the user story. In the title is as a user, I need a login page. Then I click save. Um, Now my story is created. I click back to work items. Now it's created successfully. Next, I'm going to create the task. So again, I selected the new work items. Then choose the option as task. Now it's asked me to enter the new task. My task name means I'm going to create the login page. So create a login page. This is my task. This task I'm going to assign for myself. Next, I give save. Now back to work items, we can see our user story as well as in task. If you want the board view, you just click the boards. You can get the board. In the board view, we can only see the user story only because it's only the high level task. The task is considered as a child process. So it's only display the high level things. This is the work we need to be done. Once the process is started, it's in the active stage or doing stage. Uh, we have to swap in the active column. Once the process is done, we have to move into the resolved column. If the process is completed, then we have to move. Uh, Sorry, the process is completed and we have to wait for the feedback. Once we get the positive feedback, the process is closed. This is a board, and therefore we can see repos. Thank you.